Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pedredla. Let's do your reading for the month of November 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Aries. Ace of Swords. You might be connecting with Aquarius because Aquarius got Ace of Swords. And I feel like you are carrying the pain of other people, especially Aquarius and Moon and Rising here, because they got it, and again you are getting in the first card. Okay, you're gonna learn new things. You're gonna improve your knowledge. You're gonna improve your intelligence in the month of November because you're gonna learn new things. You're gonna have some insight about something. It's gonna just flash, okay, at the moment. Some more the other day you're just going to do something, you'll be scrolling down your phone or talking with someone and suddenly some flash of information that will help you to increase your intelligence. Ace of Swords. If you're in business, you might have started something new with relates to new project. Ace of Swords. New project which involves a lot of intelligence. It might be artificial intelligence. You might be working with AI. Three of Wands. You also believe that having focus and working on that definitely improves a lot. If you're in a business field, for you guys, you have to focus on one particular thing and create a plan and execute it right now. It might be anything. It might be related to intelligence, like artificial intelligence I just told you, right? So have a plan. Universe is saying have a plan. Work on that. Focus on that. Don't focus on other people here. Don't carry burdens of other people. Focus on yourself and focus on your work right now. Because if you focus on your work, you can create this colorful aura. You can just create this colorful things in life. You can attract these colorful things in your home, because this is also home card. Three of Wands. During coronavirus prediction, this card came out, and this is basically a window. Three of Wands, you can see this is home, this is a window. You have the opportunity to make money also. Father of Pentacles I just saw in the bottom of the deck. Okay, you have the opportunity to make money. Deep inside you want to earn money. You can do that, focus on that. Don't focus on other people. I'll take this card, Two of Wands. I just told you, create a plan, Aries. If you want to execute something, create a plan. If you want to make money, create a plan. Start a project, create a plan and execute it. You can do anything. Every human being has the intelligence, has the power to manifest anything in this world. Only thing is they have to stay focused and really have the intention. What is that you really want? Is this that you really want? Go and get it. Have a plan to get it. Even for example, you want to sell chocolate, okay? You don't have the tools, you don't have the equipment. Just create a logo, say something, keep your name on it, keep some name on it, okay? Create a logo, okay? Use some software, create a logo, print that logo. Believe that one day you'll achieve that. Start something. You have to create a plan. Okay, let me do this right now. Later, if I have someone, if I collaborate with someone, talk to someone who I know who is working in that kind of field, maybe if they can help me with that. If even though if you don't have much money, you want to produce some chocolate, make a team up. Focus on that. Learn more about that. Learn more. Gather information. You can start early. You don't have to wait. If you wait, you're going to lose the opportunity, because 3, 2 here. You got basically 1, 3 and 2. 1, 2, 3. We got 1, 3, 2. So it's all jumbled here. So you have the opportunity. You have to just arrange it. It is 1, 3, 2. You have to arrange it as 1, 2, 3 and you can set it go. Okay. So opportunity is there. You have to create a plan. When you create a plan, what you're doing is you're adjusting the energies in a certain vibration, which it has to be. And once you set it, you can place the order. The order will come to your home. It is Two of Wands. It's all about delivery card. Okay. Direction. You have to have the right direction. Judgment. Universe will help you if you really want it. You deserve to achieve things in life, and if you really want it, ask the universe. It will be delivered to you. Two of Wands next to Judgment. Universe loves to give you anything you want. It is waiting for you to ask the universe. Universe is basically asking you what is the thing you really want. So why not just place an order? Just like Amazon, Flipkart, you have to just place an order to the universe. I want a car, I want a good home. Believe that one day you'll achieve that. But you have to have a plan. You have to set the intention. What is the color of the home you really want to have? What is the type of home you really want to have? Decide. You have to decide it right now. You can't decide it tomorrow or day after tomorrow. If you decide it tomorrow, then another day is wasted. Okay. Two cards came out. I'll take two cards. Emperor next to Empress. I told most of the times, getting these two cards is very, very rare. Okay. And if you get it, definitely universe is definitely guiding you. Judgment. Wow, look how beautiful is that. I've never seen this combination ever. 3 major arcanas in a row, and you getting Judgment, Emperor and Empress. Beautiful. So wonderful. November is going to be a wonderful month. You're going to enjoy with your life partner. You're going to enjoy. You might get married also in the month of November. No joke here. You might be in the process of getting married. Emperor, Empress. You are going to meet a person who is the perfect match for you if you're looking for marriage. And Judgment is a call. You will say yes, they will say yes. It's a beautiful thing. Okay. Any home cards? Two of Wands is a home card, so that's a plus, positive sign of marriage. Let's see. That's really beautiful. Judgment, Emperor and Empress. 3 major arcanas. Beautiful. If you're already married, you're gonna have a wonderful time. You're gonna have a wonderful time. It's gonna be very creative. Whatever you do in the month of November with your life partner, or especially with your life partner, because Emperor and Empress. So very, very creative. It's gonna be very, very creative. You'll feel very happy also. You'll feel very safe. 3 of Wands. You'll feel safe. You'll feel happy. That's very good. Getting 2 aces, Ace of Swords and Ace of Wands, really good. People might ask, what are you saying? Really good? What do you mean by really good? Creative things. It's going to be very creative. Whatever you do with your life partner. Oh, 5 of I said happy cards, and you got sad card. 5 of Pentacles. I feel like see, when good things come to you, I understand when good things come to you, it is for everyone. When good things happen, at the same time when good things happen, we look back at the past when sad things have happened before. So that is not that is the only problem with most of the people, and I understand why people do that. But we have to understand that what we think, that is what we attract. Okay, that is the easiest way I can explain you. What we think, that is what we attract. If we think that we deserve a good life, that is what we attract. If we think that our life is messed up, we can't do anything, then that is what you will attract. Because if you don't value yourself, because you're the reflection of God, you're the droplets. Even in Bible, I believe, even in Bible, I believe they said this: we are droplets of God. Droplets of God, in the meaning of droplets of God, is we are the same quality of God, but we are not the same quantity of God. Okay, say God is the ocean and we are the droplets of the ocean. So when it comes to quality, yes, for sure, we are same. We have the same quality as that of God, but when it comes to quantity, we are not the same as that of God. Okay, so you can see, as I said, droplets, and there is petals falling down. It involves droplets. So we have to know the value of ourselves. We have to respect ourselves. If we respect ourselves, our life will, be blissful and joyful. So every morning, this is an exercise that you can do. Every morning, wake up and say, today I'm going to create a joyful and blissful world. Okay, when you say that, you'll see how your world will be. This is something I practice. Okay, every day I wake up, I'll be grateful for things that I have, and things that I've manifested and already have, and I'll be grateful for that. Every day, 5 things that you're grateful for. Say 5 things that you're grateful for every morning. It's gonna change the vibration every single day, and over time, it's a practice, guys. Over time, if you do that, you're gonna see the change. So you got star card, the stars will be aligned. Even the planets, if you really want something in astrology, it says you can't have it. If you really want it, still, it doesn't matter what planetary positions you have, it's going to manifest. Because deep inside, if you look at even astrology, some other planet will be in a certain position, it says you can't have it. But deep inside, some individual chart, some planet will aspect some other position or some other house, and that will get activated, and you're going to receive it. So that is what life is, and that is why every astrologer says, in D1 chart, if you have a particular planet in this house, you have to look at D9 also. When you look at D9, you have to look at D1 also. You have to look at D10 also. That also, this also. So why is that? They're not, saying it randomly. They are saying it for a reason. Because there are many stars. You got star card. There are many stars. Some or the other star will reflect on you, reflect your image. Okay, some or the other star will shine brightly. So believe in the process. You have to believe. You might be connecting with Aquarius also. Aquarius card is basically star card. 6 of Swords. Yeah, you have to distance yourself from energy vampires. You have to distance yourself from people who really don't value others much. They might be narcissistic. They might be energy vampires. They might be sucking your energy. They might be really, they don't have the intention to bring you down, but they want to feel happy, So they are energy vampires. They are narcissists, and I have dealt with many people like that in the past, and it's okay to cut them off. You got Ace of Swords, which is all about cutting off, because this sword, it's all about cutting off. Etheric cords. I didn't get 5 of Swords here because the cord is not cut. If you cut the cords, then it is very good. Your flow of energy it'll be very good, and the people who you really want to connect with, they will get connected efficiently, and your energy won't get drained. If you start letting yourself feel the pain, then definitely it's gonna get worse over time, because this is your 10th card. I don't want to ruin the your energy, because it started with very nice energy, and universe gave you the ability to really cut people off if they really drain you down, and that is what you have to do in the month of November. 6 of Pentacles, because deep inside you're you are very valuable. You have to know the value of yourself. 5 and 6, right? So you're feeling sad because of this reason. Deep inside you have this, and you see, cards are telling you have to distance yourself as above as below. You can see you have to distance yourself, and when you distance yourself, this rose will fade away and it's gonna become happy. And when you do that also, money starts to come. Naturally money starts to come, because universe will give you that, because you have done a wonderful job. Every time you do a wonderful job, universe gives you some or the other gift. It's like if you raise a pet, okay, if you raise a dog, if you train a dog, if it does a good thing, we feed them, right? So that it does it again and again, we feed it. So every time a dog does a good thing, the owner feeds the dog with some food, so that it learns it. And that's how we train dogs over time. So even us, universe cares us. Universe really takes care of us, and every time we do good things, good karma will attract good things in life. So universe gives you rewards that way. So that's all I have for you, Aries. You're gonna learn few things, a few insights are coming, and also universe gave you the opportunity to really do whatever you want in life. Okay, make use of this opportunity that universe is providing you, and a lot of happiness is gonna come. November, you're gonna enjoy the month of November. Of course, there are few people who really drain you down, but distance yourself from them, and you're gonna be very happy, and connect with your childhood memories also when you do that. So that's all I have for you. Wow, I just want to share this. Just back of the bottom of the day, you got sun card. Happiness is gonna come in the month of November. You're gonna be very happy. That's all I have for you, Aries. If you do want to watch it, please watch it again. Feel free to do that. If you have liked it, click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Click on the bell icon to get notified. And you can check out this poster. I do personal tarot readings, I do astrological readings, I do daily predictions for you personally, and also if you do want a life coach, I can do that also. And all the price range is over there, you can go through that. If you want to contact me, my phone number is there, mentioned there, and my website is also down below. My social media is also linked below in the description. You can contact me, you can message me, I'll reach out as soon as possible and help you out. And thank you guys for so much support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you, Aries.